Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to install WebGoat. So let's go ahead and search for and download. And I'll tell you why we're doing 5.4 in a minute here. We're going to download the WAR file, so let's go look for that. Yep. Alright, and then the next step is to install Tomcat. So the easiest way to do that is like so. There we go. So yeah, I tried downloading WebGoat 6 and the link was broken. So then I started doing some more searching for a while and I found WebGoat 6.0.1, which passed some tests on some test website. So I downloaded that. It was a jar file. I guess they tried to make it real simple to install by just, having a jar file. There's really no install involved, and it had everything contained in it. When I ran it, I got the login page. I tried to log in, and then I got a bunch of Tomcat errors. So I'm going to go ahead with that, coupled with the broken link, call WebGoat 6 unstable at this time. But 5.4 has everything that you need to learn the basic concepts of web application attacks. So this is fixing to start here, and looks like we're done with that. So let's go ahead and, once it starts, there we go. Let's go ahead and move that download to the Tomcat directory. So it's going to be here, and we're going to move it to var lib tomcat web apps, and then we're going to call it webgoat.war. Okay, now here's the part that everybody messes up on, or they just don't know. I had to do a lot of research to find this. So we're going to edit this file. Which one is it? Tomcat users. Okay. Okay, this is the default user config file here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put some lines in here. So I've got the instructions here that you'll download with this video, or just copy it here, and I'm just going to paste it in this file at the bottom. Like so. And that's it. We save it, and then what do we do next? We reboot Tomcat. Whoops. There. Now hopefully once that starts, we'll be able to visit the site. Capital W, capital G, and attack. And then cross your fingers that I typed this right. Password is guessed. And there you have it. WebGoat. You start, and you go ahead and do all the lessons here. Talks about all these different things. It's really great to learn about all the different ways to attack websites. Now it'll give you some basic red team lessons, as you can see, and for the blue teamers, it'll teach you the basic web app attack concepts. Thanks for watching, and look forward to more instructional content to come.